Welcome. Today I'll be showing you how to fix a leaky toilet. A leaky toilet. Yeah, if you can listen carefully, you can hear water running in here. That means the valve is not closing. Some hissing noise. That means the valve is not closing. That means the water is leaking. That's what I'm gonna show. Even if I flush, you'll also hear another noise, which is not supposed to be there. That's I want to show you how to fix. Let's try it. That's the noise I'm talking about. That's the noise I'm talking about. That's the one I want to show you how to fix it. Okay, stay with me. Yeah, if we look down here, right, you have the valve. There's the valve you have to shut off. Yes, mine is plastic one, and there's the one you pull off to cut off the water coming into the toilet. There's a valve down here. That's the one you're gonna turn off. By pulling it, it will turn off the water. You'll hear the noise will stop once I pull. Right? I pull, click. And you can hear there's no more noise. That means there's no more water getting into the bowl. There's no more water getting in the bowl. Okay? You don't need a lot of tools. I just have a little pipe wrench. This one. I have a small one. And I have a adjustable wrench. Probably that's all the tools you need. And I have a screwdriver in case I need it. Okay. First of all, I take off the cover. I already went to the store and bought one. I'd make sure you check the type of the toilet bowl you have. Make sure the one you buy can fit. Here I have the gabber, and I already checked. It's written somewhere here. If you check here, they will show you which toilet it can fit. I have gabber here. Okay, so I assume I have the right one. Okay, stay with me. Once I shut off the water, so I will have to drain the water in the bowl. I will have to drain the water in the bowl. Right? That's how it look like. That's how it look like in there. Here is the valve. I had here, down here, there's a flap valve. When you pull, you push, you open the valve and let the water goes down. Right? This is where you adjust. Sometimes if you adjust, this is the one you adjust up and down. It pull up the valve down here, which is stop the water from flowing into the tank. I already tried that. That did not work, so I have to replace the whole thing. Okay, I don't want just to replace the flap. It might be the cost, but the whole thing is very cheap. The whole thing is very cheap, so you can just buy the whole thing. There's the flap, the red one. That's the flap. Okay, stay with me. I will show you the rest of the process. So I have my unit there. I'll move the cover away. Let's get enough space. The next thing I do is to disconnect the water supply underneath the tank. Okay. After I shut off the water, I will flush the bowl to get the water out. But then I'll disconnect the pipe which supplies water to the bowl. But I'll put something, just a small thing to hold the water, because there's still some water inside the bowl. And once I disconnect the pipe which supplies the water, it will leak. It will leak. So I'll get a little container, put that in there to catch the water instead of later cleaning the floor. Okay, so I will drain all the water in the bowl. Unfortunately, the bathroom is too small. You can't be able to see everything. Okay, it's good to disconnect. The water is out. Now I'll get my adjustable. I'll get my adjustable wrench and remove the nut. It's a plastic nut, so it's not very tight. Okay, here's the nut. Then this one becomes loose. You can hear the water coming out. Yep. Yeah, this is the one I was taking out. Right? This is the screw. This is the screw which you adjust with a screwdriver, and it pulls this one up and down, and it moves the valve which is in here to close the water which is coming here. It is push it. It either goes up. This one goes up and down, up and down, and there's the one which closes the valve which is here and stop the water, from coming in. This is from the water supply. This is from the water supply that goes in here. There's a valve here which makes the water flows out, and this also is the feeder pipe. So when it goes up, it stops the water, goes down, it lets more water. Close, open, close, open. Okay, this is what I'm gonna adjust, replace. I adjusted, but it did not work for me. Okay. I have a new one which I bought. That's the replacement. Okay. Yeah, this is the new one, right? Just put it in. There's a washer here. Make sure it is in place. You just put it in. And put your washer underneath. Your nut, plastic nut underneath. And I have my pipe. I'll put it in. Make sure your nut is tight. Make sure your nut is tight, but don't over tighten. It's just plastic. Okay. Then connect the water line. I connect my water line. It's good to go. Then I will replace. This is what they call the valve. Right? This is the one which shuts the water goes into the line. When you flush, this is the one you pour up. Let water in. When you are done, when it's done, it goes down. It closes. You flush, it comes up. Done, goes down. That's basically it. I'll put a new one. I'll take out the old one. And this one, you just pull out. Just pull out this one, they are open on one side. Close the old one. And this is the new one. Put it in. make sure you adjust that way it can close, can open and close. When you push down, open. When you open it down, it should close. Right? Let's try. Right? Okay, let's try. You can tell there's no noise, right? Let's flush. Yeah, there it stops and there's no noise. That's how to do it. The only thing now things remaining is for me to put back the cover. Then it will be good to go. Right, I'm done. Don't call the plumber all the time. They will charge you a lot of money. Okay, some of these things you can do it by yourself. Just check my video. So next time your toilet is making noise, just do what I did. Okay. Don't try to diagnose too much. It's just the valve and the flap valve. That's basically it. Okay, it's good to go. Okay, see you in the next video. Okay, take care. Share and subscribe. Share, subscribe. Hit that bell. Hit that bell. Okay, so that whenever I post another video on home improvement or home repair, you can be able to see the video. Okay, okay. Yeah, when I was removing, there was no enough space. So I decided to show you some of the things you need to look for, like when you are going to buy, right? You have to check the make of your toilet bowl, right? Of the make of your toilet bowl, so that you know which one to buy. Okay, several of them are written here. Okay, and they can show you the valves. These are the valves. It's like this one. The one they are showing you is this valve. When they normally make noise, this one of the thing you go buy, you replace. If it doesn't work, don't bother to do whatever else I have seen on the videos, on several videos, right? Don't do it. You'll only be wasting time. Some people show you open up this one and try to clean in here. You'll only be wasting your time. They are very cheap, so and they come as one set. Okay, this one, actually buying this one, you can as well buy the whole set, right? Then take out this one, and then you are left with this one. Okay, this is a 3-inch bowl. This is a 3-inch, and that's how it shows. You have to make sure you buy the right one, because some of them are small. They are less than 3 inches. Okay, that's how you tell which one to buy. There's the one I was saying, when you pull, when you flush, right? This is an anchor on something. So you pull, this one comes up. When the water goes down, this one goes down. It crosses the water. It crosses, right? This one crosses the hole. You can see the size here. This is flap. It crosses. It's called flap valve. Most likely is the one which will go wrong, right? Or something will be sitting here, like the places where they have hard water. Some minerals will accumulate around here, and this one will not close. So even if you adjust the valve, the other valve, which is this one, even if you adjust this screw, right, this one, this screw, it will not stop leaking. Okay. Yeah, no, this is the one. When you adjust this screw, right? I don't know whether you'll be able to see it. This one will come up, right? When the water is getting the bowl, it pushes this one up. It's a valve, right? It is open, it closes the valve, which is in here. There's a lever which goes from here to here, and the valve is up here. So it closes. When you flush, this one goes down because no water pushing it up. So it closes. And the water start coming in. It goes through here, it goes through here, here, then into your bowl. The little pipe, this one, it fits into your bowl, and others water comes through here into your bowl, right? This one goes up, it crosses. When you flush, it comes down, right? Just dismantle and see what is up here. Some people tell you to clean, but I don't know. I think for me, I think it's a waste of time. Try to dismantle this one and try to clean. That's how it looks like. And this is the one I'm talking about. This is the one you adjust. It pushes up. You can see it. This one moves. It closes the valve in here. This one. This is the adjustment, which when you turn, this is the adjustment. When you turn, it pulls this one up and down. Adjust how it's gonna close. Adjust the height. Okay, that means it closes this one. And then some of people are saying you clean this one, but I don't think it's necessary. Just buy the whole thing. This is already the one I took out. Let's see what we have. Right? It's just pieces. Actually, this one you can't even clean. Some people will show you on some videos. So just don't try to clean this one. Just buy the whole unit. Okay? Take care. See you in the next video. See you in the next video. Right? Open. Don't try to open and clean. Like this one, you can't clean. There's not much you can do about it. So if you like my video, share and subscribe. Share and subscribe, and thank you. Thank you for watching. Okay? See you in the next video. Okay? On how to install See you in the next video on how to install bathtub spout. See you in the next video on how to install bathtub spout. Okay? See you. Take care.